That was so unexpected.
To evacuate north towards Gorman. Monitor news for the latest information.
Quickly characterizes the transformation of my country
Oh,
initiated by
Central
this outstanding man.
Wait for the school to finish.
In Europe, and especially in a country like Germany, torn apart by the Cold War, Gorbachev is the man who brought a continent.
We will not forget that perestroika made possible the attempt to establish democracy in Russia, and that democracy and freedom became possible in Europe. Germany was able to be unified, and that the Iron Curtain disappeared.
U.S. President Joe Biden echoed the sentiment when he hailed the Soviet icon as a rare leader who made the world a safer place. A contrast with the current Russian leadership pointed out by Boris Johnson.
What I worry about today is
Well, KCT relayed.